Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Shrihan. Today we are going to solve a Rubik's Cube within 3 minutes. So let's get started. First I'm going to shuffle it. Now I'm going to start the timer. Now we have solved the Rubik's Cube in the time limit of 2 minutes 31 seconds 62 milliseconds. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube yourself. Thank you.